Hello everyone, welcome to Brother Love in Haiti, and as promised, I will keep you updated on the current earthquake disaster happening in Haiti. On Saturday, August 14th, approximately at 8:30 a.m., an earthquake the magnitude of 7.2 shook the southwestern parts of Haiti, leaving hundreds dead. The earthquake was so powerful, it was felt from the capital of Dominican Republic across the Caribbean Sea, where it shook people out of their beds all the way in Jamaica, then making its way across to the Bahamas, Puerto Rico, Turks and Caicos, and eventually trembling in Cuba. This earthquake is recorded as 7.2, making it the highest recorded earthquake in Haitian history, and topping the January 12, 2010 7.0 earthquake, which left hundreds of thousands dead in Port-au-Prince. The quake must have occurred at a depth of about 10 kilometers in the ground, whatever that's supposed to mean. Haiti News has now confirmed a death toll of 309 and hundreds injured, but won't know the total death count until a rumble has been cleared. Many homes, businesses, and infrastructure has been destroyed. It also left a tsunami warning, which was disregarded by the media, but left the streets of southwest Haiti flooded with water and eventually drying out approximately 20 to 100 feet of the coastal sea.
L'an a séché, nous songe jan lte étalé a, l'an a séché. L'an a séché l'a fait bac là, bien gardé. Mes amis, bah la marée, mande en pile prudence dans moment parce que m'pa ka comprendre phénomène ça qui passé a, mais l'an a séché talé a. N'a comparé deux vidéos pour nous ouais. Là t'es chargé de l'eau là. Devant l'a séché, l'an a fait bac. Bah yo red là. Là c'est côté moun tap ben. Gardez à terre.
What's going on?
Ça c'est qu'elle a tassemblé mon andel. Qu'elle a fait tomber là,
Help is slow to come because many entry roads in the southwest has been blocked due to avalanches and landslides.
Ça c'est là il va grâce au palais. Ya. Et comme ça c'est rivière qui en bas ici. Ça c'est route là. Tout ça au côté mien là. C'est comblé net. C'est comme ça. Et mon a deux boulons net. Ya. Le passage est praticable. Vous machine en bas lui-même. Oui.
Keep Haiti in your praise, y'all, because this is the reality that people have to wake up to in the morning. Approximately 949 homes, 7 churches, 2 hotels, and 3 schools has been identified as destroyed. Also, damaging 723 homes, 1 prison, 3 health centers, and no major damages to the airport. Thank you everybody for tuning in to Brother Love in Haiti today. I told you I was going to do a follow-up about the earthquake news in Haiti, and here it is. So for all my new viewers, I would like for you to press that like button, subscribe if you didn't. We're going to keep you updated on everything that's going on, y'all. And then just not that neither, but we're going to show you Haiti. I am inviting you to come see Haiti through my eyes virtually. And if we want to impact change, let's impact change, y'all. If you just want to visit Haiti virtually, tune in. Have a blessed day. Brother Love in Haiti.